in this life, to have been brought up with the fundamental American ideals of democracy, liberty, equality, opportunities, and rights, encompassing the way I have lived my life these past 18 years. These ideals have been a keystone in how my life has been shaped today. But when I think of how I've been able to have these opportunities, the right to vote, to preserve and promote democracy and liberty within our country, none of this could have been possible had it not been for our United States veterans. Yes, the United States veterans. There is one particular indirect connection that I can personally make of how the U.S. veterans have impacted my life. In 1965, Indonesia, the homeland of my parents, was under communist threat that almost turned the nation to bloodshed. When Indonesians looked north, they saw the dominoes of communism that fell further south towards Indonesia. Some of you here have fought hard to stop this domino effect from falling further in a country called Vietnam. On behalf of myself and my parents, we would like to extend our gratitude that you and your fellow soldiers gave in Vietnam. Your sacrifice gave Indonesia enough time to become stronger to stand against communism on its own. Had such domino effect hit Indonesia, I believe that my grandfathers who served in the Indonesian Navy would not have survived, which means my parents would not be able to set foot on this nation. Had it not been for our United States veterans, I would not be present here, living life and making independent choices of my own. Such independent choice as this. When I was born, I had a dual citizenship between the United States and Indonesia. Once I turned 18, though the United States allowed me to have a dual citizenship, Indonesia made me make a choice to have one over the other. To the country that I was born in, raised in, and loved with all of my heart, I chose to be an American. We being here, us enjoying the fruits that our country gives, to be divergent in thought, expressive, free, independent people, all of this could not have happened if not for our United States veterans. Had it not been for our veterans, we would not have a country we call home. Had it not been for our veterans, we would not have our five-pillar American ideals that have been so difficult to preserve and embrace. And for me, had it not been for our veterans, my parents would not be able to come to a country that welcomes and embraces diversity, a country that encourages individuals to pursue the American dream. Had it not been for our veterans, I would not be here today, living life, embodying such ideals as I am today. Therefore, we all, thanks to our veterans, can embody America in our lives. We are America. Thank you.
Yes,